Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious churro French toast. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need brioche bread, 1 cup of milk, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of honey. For our glaze, we're going to need 2 cups of powdered sugar, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. We're also going to need your choice of dulce de leche, a half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by making our glaze. So in a bowl, I'm going to throw in my butter. And just make sure that it is at room temperature because we're going to break it down. Alright, so once our butter is broken down, we're going to add our sugar. Mix it together. Then we're going to add our milk and vanilla. And we're just going to whisk it until we have a glaze consistency. So just make sure everything is well mixed and you don't have no clumps. Alright, so once our glaze looks like this, I'm going to transfer into a plastic bottle. Alright, so here I have my glaze. So now if you don't have a bottle, don't worry, you can use a Ziploc bag. It's going to do basically the same, but like that it's easier, you know, for the kids and everyone to grab it once they're ready to eat their French toast. So we're going to do the same with our dulce de leche. So you can, if you can't find this dulce de leche, you can always use, you know, whatever you can find. So this one's another good one. I'm just going to pour half of the caramel into this bottle. And I mean, you can keep it in the bottle, but as you can see, this one's bigger than the one I'm going to use in my little bottle. Okay, so now we're going to mix our sugar and cinnamon. Alright, so we're going to grab a dish or a bowl that's big enough to fit your bread, because when we're done cooking our French toast, we're going to coat it with our cinnamon and sugar. So here I'm just going to mix my half a cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And just mix it. Alright, so once that's mixed, we are ready to work on our egg mixture for our French toast. Alright, so in a large bowl, I'm going to add in my 6 eggs. Alright, so we're going to whisk them until we can no longer see the egg whites. So there cannot be no separation on our eggs. Okay, so once you no longer see the egg white, then you're gonna know that your eggs are completely mixed. Alright, so now we're going to add our vanilla, our cinnamon, and our honey. And they were all 1 tablespoon of each. Okay. And now we're just going to add our 1 cup of milk and now mix it all together. And if you don't have honey, you can always substitute it for sugar. So just whip until you no longer see the cinnamon, clumps of cinnamon. All right, so now we are ready to make our French toast. In my large frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium heat. And I'm just going to grease it with butter. So I'm just going to wait for that to heat up, and then we're going to start dipping our bread into our egg mixture and then start making our French toast. All right, so once our frying pan is hot enough, we're going to dip our bread into our egg mixture. So just dip it on both sides and then grab it and cook it in here. So now we're just going to let it sit there for 2 to 3 minutes or until our bread has turned into a beautiful golden color. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to flip it over and let that side cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so after 2 minutes, it should be done, as you can see. So now I'm just going to take it out and dip it in our cinnamon and sugar mixture. So you want to do it when they're hot, so like that the sugar can stick to our French toast. And there you go. Just going to repeat the process until we have reached the desired amount of French toast that we're making. All right, so once you're ready to serve, we're going to cut our French toast diagonal. I'm just going to put them one on top of each other. All right, so I'm going to start to drizzle my icing. Along with my caramel. And I'm going to add a little strawberry, and now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
Potatoes.
Are you ready? Giovanni's loves them. Wait for me. He's ready.
I don't want to eat it right now.
Oh wait.
Nope. I don't
My
eat
mouth
it.
is so watery. Okay.
How, Mom?
Oh, I love them. This is my favorite. My favorite. Ready? Okay. Cheers.
Yummy.
Seriously, the best.
Yummy.
No one's on it.
Everything, guys, is super perfect. It's not too sweet, you know, it's just perfect. Super easy, and you know what? You can have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, anytime. Super delicious. I hope you guys seriously give this a try. Alright guys, and there you have it on how I make super easy and delicious churro French toast. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.